Today, we are going to learn how to speak English in some simple ways. So, if you are a beginner and want to speak English, so first you should know the basics of English grammar. And if you just started learning English, you first need to know some basic rules of the language. And developing a solid foundation in English grammar will not only help you create your own sentences correctly, but will also make it easier to improve your communication skills in both spoken and written English. Now, there are many basic English grammar lessons to learn to speak English, but the first English lesson we are going to learn is nouns. See, a noun is a word that we use to identify something or someone. It is the name we put to a person, a place, or a thing. There are three main things which we put the name. First is person, second is place, and third is a thing. It usually refers to something we can see. A noun can also be something we feel or recognize, such as touch, taste, or sound. These are known as abstract nouns. We will study them later. For these qualities, a noun is called a naming word. So, these qualities it is noun. So, they are known as naming words. The following examples of nouns given below will explain the topic better, like people, father, girl, uncle, president. More about places, house, pole, Japan, garden. Abstract nouns, happiness, strength, height, pain, and things, pen, television, desktop, pumpkin, kite. So these are the examples of noun. So there are many kinds of nouns, but we are beginners, so we will study only some nouns. So there are many types of noun, and we will study proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. So what is a proper noun? Names we give to people, places, or things are called proper nouns. Like Raman, Rahul, Aslam. These are proper nouns because we are giving it a specific name. These nouns are used to address a subject. Proper nouns refer to a specific or unique person. An important point to remember is that proper nouns are always spelled out in a capital letter. We know if we will say Raman, first letter of the word will be capital R. But if we will say prime, the first letter of P will not be capital. And like examples, person, Narendra Modi, things, Mercedes Benz, because it is a car, a name of a specific car, place, Rampur, and Lucknow, Aligarh. These are the places. Now coming to common noun. Common noun, as the name suggests, is generic in nature. They don't have a specific name. Like examples, teacher, actor, apple, hospitals. These are not a specific name, but if I say Heritage Hospital, it will be a specific name, so it will be counted as a proper noun. And what are collective nouns? A collective noun describes a collection or a group of things, like an army of soldiers. So the army of soldiers is a collective noun because army refers to a group of soldiers. Coming to abstract noun, they are the easiest one because they tell the feeling, like wisdom, pain. So these are the abstract noun. Material noun, rock, air, steel. Material noun describes the state of a thing. It is called a material noun. A material noun tells us about what a thing is made up of or what is its state. So we have cleared all 5 nouns. Common one, And it's for today. We have completed the nouns chapter, and we will study more like nouns also contains numbers, nouns also contains gender. So these are not the types of noun, but they are the kinds of noun. There is a big difference between kind and type. So we will study them in the next video, and this is for only today. Thank you and have a nice day.